Hey guys, we all know the feeling. You've spent days putting together the coolest DIY lighting setup for the holidays. You have everything working, your power tools are humming, the lights are up, you even got the pool on it, everything's on it, and then it pours about 2 weeks later and it all goes to crap. It's all shorting out, it's a fire hazard, or my personal nemesis, the gardener. I don't know what it is with their machines, but they love cutting up my wires and I need to armor them. I want to show you something today that's not a sexy answer, but in traveling to 52 countries, I have learned that the unsexy equipment is frequently the most important. So in front of me here is a variety of products from Flemoon, and I am using these myself to defeat those gardeners. Let me show you how I'm using each of them, how they work, and how they can improve your life. All right, I'm doing this one a little different because it seems bright and sunny here, but it is so dark back in the bushes, and I really wanted to show you this one. So this is kind of like a cool straight box, okay? And in order for me to demonstrate this one to you, because see what's nice about it, it has extra depth to it. So I'm going to show you using an irregular plug so you can see how it works. A couple features I want you to see. These little grippers grab the wire, which is great so it doesn't pull out. These are the waterproof and rubber grommets. And this particular model has a cool thing. So this particular model, if you wanted to, you can attach these on here. They just snap on like that, and this sits here. This is all rubberized, but it protects the wire where it goes in. So let's first put it together and then we'll install those so you can see. So like I said, I brought this one wire to show you because the plug is an irregular size, right? So let's plug it in. Doesn't travel straight through, right? So you need a little more room to make this work. Plus we got this big old sticker on it. Goes through the grommet. And down into this thing which locates it. Look how firm that is there. How cool is that? There's plenty of room for the whole weird shape. Okay, we got the top on, snap one side, snap the other. Look at that, nice and secure, armored connection, water resistant, waterproof. And then we could add this, snap it on there like that. And then it snaps down on the other side here. One side, two sides, and so like let's say this is someplace where the sprinkler hits, it's got a little raincoat there like that. See that? How cool is this? You cannot possibly go wrong with this. You should definitely get yourself one right after you hit the hype feature right there below here on YouTube. And then you can use, there's a link here on the screen or down in the description. Both work the exact same way. You need a whole bunch of these. These things are freaking cool. If I've added some value, and I know I have because I'm very excited about these personally, please like the video, follow the channel, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask. I'll try to answer them for you as best I can. I hope this was helpful. We'll see you in the next video.